Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can edit videos in Canva from scratch. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for canva.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on Create. Inside here, select Videos and then simply choose your preferred size. I'm gonna go ahead and simply select Instagram story. You wanna go ahead and simply tap on uploads in your left hand side. Go ahead and simply select uploads from here. Tap onto it, then select upload files. Now you wanna go ahead and select your video clip from your computer. Now once it is uploaded, you just need to go ahead and drag and drop on your timeline and then adjust it. Once you have done that, once you have your video on your timeline, go ahead and tap on duration and inside here you can simply edit your video. Press S in your keyboard and then this part is gonna split. It lets you cut and rearrange your section easily. Now, if you would like to add music to your video, go ahead and scroll below and tap on audio. Inside here, you will then be able to find all available music. But if you would like to upload your own audio, go ahead and simply tap on upload and then upload the audio you have on your computer. Once you've done that, you can simply select them and it will automatically be added on your timeline. If you would like to adjust the volume, you can go ahead and tap on this volume button and adjust it from here. And Canva also has a built-in sound effect. You can go ahead and simply search for whoosh or pop in the audio library and drop them where you want in the timeline. Perfect for transition or emphasizing text animation. If you like to add text and graphic, click on the text tab right over here and then go ahead and simply add titles, subtitles, and captions. You can even animate them with Canva's text effect. And for visuals, you can simply explore elements to add shapes, stickers, or overlay to your video. If you want to move things around, just drag clips in your timeline. You can even copy and paste clip with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, which is great for reusing intros and repeating effects. So once your video is ready, you can go ahead and tap on share and then go ahead and tap on download. Inside here, make sure your file type is MP4 video and then tap on download to save it to your computer. And that is how you can edit your video in Canva from scratch. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.